Hey everyone, so today what I want to do for you is a quick unboxing and first impression of a power bank that I received from this manufacturer. The manufacturer is INIU, I believe I'm pronouncing that correctly, and the power bank is the P51-E1. I just took a quick look at their website. I know that they have an E2 version as well, so I assume this is just a different rev. First impression when I unboxed the shipping box is it's a 22.5 watt 20,000 milliamp hour battery. And my first impression is that I was really surprised, if the picture is representative, surprised of the size of this thing. So I know from my past purchases that I have this old 10,000 milliamp hour battery and a power bank, and it's substantially larger, right? So first impression is this thing is small. And so I was really kind of like jumped on the website and kind of took a poke around and looked at some of the products. And I have I'll talk about their website at the end of this video to talk about some other products that they have as well. So let's unbox this thing and see what it looks like inside the box. All right, so here's what comes in the box. You have a bag, a USB-A to USB-C cable. I assume this is to support the 22.5 watts. And then the power bank, it looks like a reference card and user's guide. From a port perspective, we have two USB-A out and then one USB-C in and out, and then looks like a flashlight. I would assume push once, you get the power percent indicator. Push twice, and then you get the flashlight. Kind of handy to have a flashlight. I would imagine this flashlight would last forever on this power bank. From a size perspective, let's look at it. That's 20,000 milliamp hour. This is my old 10,000 milliamp hour. You can see it's a little bit thicker. I would say it's probably about maybe a quarter of an inch thicker. Width-wise, it's about the same, maybe an eighth, a quarter of an inch wider, but definitely a lot shorter. So you have a reference there. And then what I'm going to do now is just weigh them real quick and see what they weigh. So we'll get our scale out. Put the scale in the middle here for you. With 316 grams, 315 grams, 16 grams, 357 grams. It's lighter, so it's amazing. It's smaller and lighter, but more power. So it's definitely a change in battery technology. Quite impressive. First impression, I like it. What I'm going to do now is jump into the website and talk about some of the other products that they have that I think would be interesting for some use cases that I have. I hope you find that at least you can see what's in the box and what these things are like. All right, since I wasn't familiar with this brand, I decided to go to the website to see what this manufacturer produces, right? So clearly it seems like a lot of power banks, cables, wireless chargers, and then car chargers. So it looks like for portable electronics type of stuff. And I believe the power bank I receive is this particular one. It's the INIU Carry P5E2. I believe mine's an E1. I think it's just a difference in rev version that they sent me. But when I got to this particular page, I think the thing that really caught my attention are the higher wattage power banks. And the reason I'm interested in these higher wattage power banks is I purchased some 60 watt GVM lights that you can power from an NPF adapter. And I'll flash a picture of that up here in the video and show you. Now, these GVM lights don't have a USB-C directly input, but you can buy adapter cables that allow you to adapt from power distribution USB-C into the 5.5 jack that's available on these lights. So you can power them from power banks and alternative USB-C type of power distribution chargers. If you're interested in that type of video, leave a comment down below and I'll create that video as soon as possible. I've tested it. I know it works. So that's what really caught my attention, because think about it. I can power my GVM lights from one of these 65 watt 20,000 milliamp hour power banks. that it's substantially smaller than double NPF batteries. So I may pick up one of these in the future and test it out to see what how it performs and how long it can power a light for. But for now, I think it's an interesting company with some new technology in terms of power banks. And I think the reason these power banks are substantially smaller is they're using new battery technology. And I'm going to dig into it a little bit, but these high density tiny cell, it says it's 20 to 30% smaller and thinner than, I guess, whatever the old technology was. So interesting power banks. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, click the like and notification button. I'll see you in the next video.